Hello everyone, here is the thought for the day. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again. Today we are going to study molecular mass. I think everybody is ready with tables showing elements and their chemical symbols, their atomic mass, elements with their Latin names, their uses, and electronic configuration, etc. These all tables will be useful for you all in understanding the concept of molecular mass and valency. Let us read out the definition of molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a single molecule of that substance. Let us start with the example of water molecule. Water molecule has a formula H2O. What are the two constituent elements? Hydrogen and oxygen. Atomic mass is expressed in Dalton U. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now, fourth column shows number of atoms in the molecule. Number of hydrogen atoms are 2 and there is single oxygen atom. Here you can clearly see 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Fifth column shows atomic mass multiplied by number of atoms. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, it is multiplied by number of atoms 2. Then for oxygen atomic mass is 16 multiplied by number of atom 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 16 multiplied by 1 is 16. Molecular mass is equal to sum of constituent atomic masses. So add these atomic masses. 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. So molecular mass of water is 18 Dalton. Molecular mass can be written in grams. It can be expressed in both the units, Dalton as well as grams. Let us calculate molecular mass of various compounds. First one is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride has molecular formula NaCl. There are two constituent elements, sodium and chlorine. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 Dalton and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 Dalton. Number of atoms in the molecule. In NaCl, there is a single sodium atom and a single chlorine atom taking part in the formation of sodium chloride. So number of atoms are 1 each of sodium and chlorine respectively. Next column is atomic mass multiplied by number of atoms. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 multiplied by 1. 23 multiplied by 1 is equal to 23. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Number of atom 1. So 35.5 multiplied by 1 is 35.5. Now these atomic masses we are going to add so as to get the molecular mass of sodium chloride. So 23 plus 35.5 is 58.5 Dalton or grams. So molecular mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5 Dalton. Second example, aluminium chloride. Molecular formula is AlCl3. Constituent elements are aluminium and chlorine. Atomic mass of aluminium is 27 and chlorine has atomic mass 35.5. Number of atoms in the molecule. See here, in aluminium chloride, there is a single aluminium atom and 3 chlorine atoms. So, in this column we will write 1 atom of aluminium and 3 atoms of chlorine. 27 multiplied by 1 is equal to 27. Fifth column represents atomic mass multiplied by number of atoms. 27 multiplied by 1 is 27. 35.5 is multiplied by 3 because there are 3 chlorine atoms. 35.5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 106.5, 106.5. So, molecular mass of aluminium chloride is equal to sum of constituent atomic masses. 27 plus 106.5 is equal to 133.5 Dalton or grams. Then let us study how to calculate molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid has molecular formula H2SO4. Constituent elements are hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, sulfur 32, oxygen 16. In sulfuric acid H2SO4, how many atoms are there for hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen? Let us see. There are 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. Number of atoms are written in 4th column. Now 5th column shows atomic mass multiplied by number of atoms. Atomic mass of hydrogen multiplied by number of hydrogen atoms. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. Sulfur has atomic mass 32. Number of atom, single sulfur atom is present. Therefore 32 multiplied by 1 is 32. 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. Number of atoms 4. 16 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64. Let us add all these atomic masses so as to get the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Molecular mass of H2SO4 is equal to sum of constituent atomic masses. 2 plus 32 plus 64, 98 Dalton or 98 grams. Next example. Nitric acid. Nitric acid has molecular formula HNO3. Constituent elements hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, nitrogen has atomic mass 14 and oxygen has 16. Number of atoms. Can you tell me now number of atoms constituent elements are having? Hydrogen 1, nitrogen 1 and there are 3 atoms of oxygen. Atomic mass is multiplied by number of atoms. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, number of atom 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Nitrogen has atomic mass 14 multiplied by number of nitrogen atom. Number of nitrogen atom is only single atom is there. So 14 multiplied by 1 is 14. There are 3 atoms of oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 16 multiplied by 3, 48. So molecular mass of nitric acid is sum of constituent atomic masses. 1 plus 14 plus 48, 63. So molecular mass of nitric acid is 63 Dalton or 63 grams. Two more examples. Magnesium oxide. Constituent elements are magnesium and oxygen. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24 and oxygen has atomic mass 16. Number of atoms in magnesium, single atom of magnesium and only single atom of oxygen is participating. So 1 each. Atomic mass multiplied by number of atoms. 24 is the atomic mass of magnesium multiplied by magnesium atom. 24 multiplied by 1 is 24. Oxygen has atomic mass 16. Number of atom 1. 16 multiplied by 1 is 16. Now let us add these two atomic masses of magnesium and oxygen respectively. 24 plus 16, 40 Dalton. Next example, carbon dioxide. Constituent elements are carbon and oxygen. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Number of atoms, carbon only one atom and oxygen there are 2 atoms. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, number of atom 1, 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16, number of atoms 2, 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. Now let us add these two atomic masses so as to get the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. 12 plus 32, 44 Dalton or 44 grams. Write down all these tables in your science copy. I hope you all have understood the concept of molecular mass and how it has to be calculated. Now write down today's homework. Calculate molecular mass of following compounds. First one, sodium sulfate. Write down molecular formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. Na2SO4. Second compound, aluminium phosphate. AlPO4. AlPO4. Next, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Write down the molecular formula NaHCO3. NaHCO3. For calculating molecular mass of all these compounds, you must know the atomic mass of every element. Table given on page number 49 of science textbook will help you in the calculation of molecular mass. We will study concept of mole in next video.